The Speeder is a jet-powered flying bike that can take off and land straight up and down thanks to its 4 turbojet engines. It's built with lightweight carbon fiber and titanium, making it both strong and fast. You can fly it up to 150 miles per hour and as high as 15,000 feet. It's controlled with a joystick, similar to a video game controller. The flight lasts between 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the weight it's carrying and the weather. This is a small replica of the famous Lotus Type 49 Formula One car from the 1960s, once driven by racing legend Jim Clark. Many racing fans believe he was even better than stars like Alain Prost and Michael Schumacher. Even though it's built at half the size, 1:2 scale, this mini F1 car is powerful. It has an 8-horsepower engine and can go up to 80 kilometers per hour. It also comes with a leather interior, a steering wheel you can quickly remove, and adjustable shock absorbers. Made by Junior Dream Cars, this mini racer costs $1,290 and feels like a tiny F1 beast. The Land Junior by Junior Dream Cars is like going on a mini safari. It's a 1:2 scale model, but don't let its size fool you. It performs like a real all-wheel drive vehicle. Powered by a 1.2 kilowatt electric motor and 4 batteries, it runs for up to 3 hours and reaches speeds of 45 kilometers per hour. Its boxy look isn't flashy, but that's part of its charm. It's built for reliability, simplicity, and off-road fun, not racing. While others speed around in fancy cars, the Land Junior is made for steady adventures. It starts at a price of $8,250. The RC 12-meter is a top-class motorhome made for people who love to travel in comfort. It's built on a strong frame for smooth, safe journeys and has a spacious, stylish interior. The bedroom offers a queen or king-size bed, lots of storage, and a TV. The bathroom has a large shower, toilet, and sink, giving you all the comforts of home. Modern features like touchscreen panels make it easy to control lights, temperature, and entertainment. Safety features include blind spot alerts, collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. It's a perfect luxury home on wheels for relaxing travel adventures. The Maxxis V90 Villa Edition is a luxury camper van made for people who love to travel without giving up comfort. It has a modern design and includes everything needed for a cozy life on the road. What makes it special is its 2-story setup that opens up when parked. The upper floor has a glass sunroom with wide views and is reached by a small elevator. The lower floor features smart, useful spaces that make living on the go easy and enjoyable. With plenty of room and luxury features, it's perfect for stylish outdoor trips and adventures.